Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to fix Excel hide list. So, let's get started. Begin by opening the Excel workbook containing the hidden list of rows or columns that you want to fix. Click and drag your cursor to select the rows or columns you want to fix. Select rows and right-click on your mouse. A menu bar will appear. Now from here, click on Unhide. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix Excel hide list. Thanks for watching our videos. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.